It's time for another Algebra 2 Regents quick question walkthrough. And this one says, consider the following patterns. And it gives us 4 different patterns. It's asking us which pattern is geometric. We remember that for a sequence to be arithmetic or geometric, it has to follow some rules. For arithmetic, I know it has to have a common difference. And for geometric, it has to have a common ratio. So let me look at the first one. I'm going to see if I notice a common difference. Can I add something to the previous term to get the next term? I'm adding 7. I'm adding 7. I'm adding 7. And it looks like I'm adding 7. There is a pattern, so I would call that arithmetic. It's asking me which pattern is geometric, so that is not my answer. Going on to the second pattern, again, I'm going to look and see if there is any common difference or common ratio between them. And I'm noticing they're getting smaller, but it looks like I am adding a -7 each of the times. And that's true. So I'm adding a -7, so it is still arithmetic because there's a common difference. That means that 2 is also not a geometric one. Looking at pattern number 3, pattern number 3 would be 2 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 14, 14 to 18. Definitely looks like I'm adding 4. That is also arithmetic, so if I've done it correctly, my last one should be geometric, but I'm going to double check to make sure. My last pattern is 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 2 to 4, I'm adding 2, 4 to 8, I'm adding 4, 8 to 16, I'm adding 8, so clearly it's not an arithmetic pattern of a common difference. To be a geometric pattern, I should be able to take the ratio of the one after it to the one before it, and I see that I have a common ratio of 2 when I do that. So I do have a common ratio of 2, which means that this is a geometric sequence. And my answer then is 4. And I'm done.